On how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create your group on WhatsApp. So it's really easy and simple. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp app, then tap here. You can see it's a plus icon, this one. Then you can see here the option new group. Simply tap here. Then you have to choose more than two people and tap here. Once you tap here, then you have to give your name here, test, and you can see here, and you can also turn on that this appeared message or not. You can fix it here. And then group permission, you can see here group permission, approve new members, so you can set add new other members. You can turn it on or off, you can do it. And after that, simply tap here the tick icon, so you can see. So now you can invite other people. So today's moment, see the next video.